Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at this silenced Backslide-Tracer mod. It comes with a little hard point to mount the laser onto too. We'll be doing some stuff with the Havoc, but that'll be mainly for the next video. So let's gas this up and try to sight in this laser. Take a look at what's inside here. Comes in a couple pieces. Pull out an insert, and these inserts come to whatever bore you need, and they are polygonally rifled. Whether that matters or not, couldn't tell you. So anyways, you'll notice the slide doesn't spring back when it's gassed up. You have to slide it back yourself, but that's not a big deal. Let's take a shot. Sort of right of the laser. So let's sight this in a bit. Take another shot. That looks good. That looks good. Yeah, so I'm doing this voiceover later. I'm not really sure what's happening right now. I guess this is my loadout. Oh shit. Yeah, taken out by the broom. Alright, we're gonna be shooting from 25 feet right now, as far as my measuring tape goes. And I'm probably gonna let drunk me take over the voiceover in a minute. Pretty good shots for the most part. Let's look at fast shooting, fast target acquisition. Laser. You do this with iron sights too. They're pretty intuitive as well. Even though there is no front sight, but I find the cylindrical barrel makes a super nice intuitive aiming platform.
Let's try iron sights.
Oh, there we go. All right, see you guys.
Iron sights. Let's hit the bottom, baby. That's a hit. Try one more hit. That's another hit. Let's try one more hit. That's another hit. Let's try one more hit. That's another hit. Let's try one more hit. Okay, that's a miss. Thank you. Thank you. Pretty nice and painted. Alright, let me drink some more and I'll come back to you guys in 5 minutes.
Alright, back to normal voiceover. Let's do some long range shots. Well, relatively long range. This is 40 feet, I'm pretty sure. And a wood sound, or any sound for that matter, to hit, because the backdrop is snow. So I guess just enjoy this shooting footage. I'll do a couple misses at the end to see what a miss sounds like.